My whole thing on TikTok is to prove that anything in this world can be made into music. Like, everything has tonality to it.
I wanted to test this tonight, if you don't mind. We have
Okay.
stuff here, but what could we do tonight?
Well, what has sound to it? Wait, let me see that cup.
This cup.
Is there anything in it?
Yeah, there's water.
Do you have anything I can tap?
That's you. Has tea in it. That's for you.
Okay.
I have cups. I have extra cups. Do you want a cup?
This is, yeah, give me a spoon, because I'm sure you have spoons somewhere. Like, take another Tonight Show cup, yeah. I've marked up your table. So, okay, I hope this works, but bear with me. Everything has tonality to it, so if I were to... Here we go, so that's kind of like a... if I had a way to record something, I would like make a whole song out of this cup right now.
I have a way to record right now.
Wait. No.
Set up. Oh yeah.
Okay.
This is,
wait. Hold this.
Hold that. Charlie, we're always ready for you here at the Tonight Show. That's why we love when you come back. You're just making art. So
sure.
any.
What is this? This is Pro Tools. So, okay, you
I
already
know how
have
to do Pro Tools.
Yeah, I mean, I thought your producer was joking when he said that he.
No. If you even mention an idea, we're gonna make it happen. If it makes it on the air or not, we don't know. But
okay, so everyone, bear with us for a second. I'm gonna record. This is what I do on TikTok. I'm going to do it on the show that started it all. You record little... That's it. Wait, hold on. There. Ooh. I like the little... Okay, so here, take that. You can put that down.
You just got that.
Okay, so... Here it is. Can we get sound? Ooh. That's... Here, play that again. This is... There we go. So, I can put it... There's the sound of the glass, but if you pitch it down, so that's just one note. I feel like I'm teaching all of a sudden. Yeah.
This is like a master class. I love this.
So this is what that sounds like here. Ooh, we got reverb. Too much. Wait. So I could, okay, so that's one layer, and I could add a little rhythm to, again, that's the cup sound. Okay, and then we need like a bass or something. Dun, dun. I'm not done. Okay, so that's looping. Again, these are all just cup sounds pitched down. If I put a kick drum, then you have a completed...
What?
Wow. And there you go.
That's how you do it,